So law number 6 in your book is hone your soft skills. So what are soft skills? And why is it so important for lawyers to have these?
Soft skills are non-technical skills that affect your performance in the workplace. And I'll tell you by giving you an example. An embarrassing example. Don't judge me.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to judge you.
When I was a young lawyer, I made a client cry once. And the situation was I was handling this very big case. She was just one of 20 clients that we had in this case. And we had just gotten assigned a judge. And this client happened to be a lawyer herself. And she called to talk to me about what she thought about the judge we had been assigned. And I had already talked about it with my partner, and we had a point of view on the judge. So when this client started talking, I basically gave her the verbal version of stop sign. I steamrolled over her with my opinions and our position and what we thought. And she kind of went, well, and started crying and hung up. And I sat there trying to figure out what to do. And this is the worst part. She called me back to apologize. Now, I should have been the one apologizing for violating her respect, for not listening to her, for interrupting, for all of the behaviors that I demonstrated during that phone call. Those are soft skills. Those are things I hadn't been taught. And I was a young, scared attorney who thought that being aggressive was the way to power through any uncomfortable situation that I was in. So that's an example of how knowing the law, knowing our position, knowing the situation backwards and forwards didn't help manage a client who needed me. And by the way, who could have fired me for what I did. That was a big wake-up call for me in terms of how to manage myself, which is a lot of what soft skills are about. Self-awareness, self-management, self-control, being able to read the room, empathizing with others. The things that make you a trusted advisor and not just a lawyer.